Are you tired of dealing with cable contracts and raising prices? It is time to cut the cord and embrace the world of free TV apps. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are unveiling the top free apps for your smart TV to save you money. Let us jump right in and get your entertainment setup fixed. Step 1 is to install Tubi and FreeV on your device. Tubi offers a vast library of over 50,000 television shows and movies without any subscription fees. FreeV is Amazon's premier free streaming service. It provides ad-supported movies, TV shows, and exclusive free originals. Both apps give you a massive selection of on-demand content without charging a single dollar. Step 2 is to set up live cable replacements like Distro TV and Pluto TV. Distro TV boasts over 150 live and on-demand channels from around the world. It includes everything from sports and news to comedy shows and indie programming. Pluto TV offers hundreds of live TV and movie channels. It includes popular programming directly from classic cable channels and broadcast TV networks. Welcome to Lesson 3 of our Firestick guide. Today we're unlocking massive free content libraries. In this lesson, we will cover how to add Xumo Play and the Roku channel to your device, giving you access to hundreds of live channels and thousands of movies. Adding these platforms is a game changer for cord cutters. You get the variety of cable without the monthly bill. Let's start with Xumo Play. Xumo Play provides nearly 300 channels of live programming and on-demand content. It requires absolutely no sign-up or registration to start watching. It's a seamless lean-back experience. Now, if you want even more variety, you have to add the Roku channel. The Roku channel app provides access to over 350 live TV channels and thousands of movies completely free. To recap, add Xumo Play for instant live TV and the Roku channel for a massive library of movies and originals, all for zero cost. In the next lesson, we'll dive into optimizing your Firestick's performance to ensure a smooth streaming experience. See you there. Step 4 is to utilize the major streaming powerhouses YouTube and Peacock. YouTube is the most watched streaming service available today. It offers a massive array of free content, including complete episodes of TV shows and feature films. Peacock is the NBC Universal streaming service. It offers excellent free content, including the first episodes of first-run TV shows to rival other major apps. Step 5 is to try aggregator and classic alternatives like Free Cable TV and Redbox. Free Cable TV is a specialized search engine app. It helps you find videos from various websites and offers access to over 300 channels of live news and movies. Redbox offers free live and on-demand TV shows across various genres, as they transition their famous kiosk brand entirely into the streaming app bandwagon. Step 6 is to download the CW app to your smart TV. The CW app lets viewers keep up with their favorite network shows for free. It requires no cable subscription or login details at all. You are bound to find high-quality programming that you like on this platform. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. Free streaming applications can experience heavy buffering and sudden blocks caused by your internet service provider. A premium VPN keeps your online streaming fully anonymous. It bypasses strict provider throttling effortlessly. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. Click that link to secure your connection and run all your applications smoothly today.